she is. All the way from Jersey City. Born and raised.
Thank you.
The best slam poets on this side of heaven. Yeah, her name is none other than Duana Sharif.
You know, they said there I go, but baby, here I come. I'm shattering the distance between my lips and your cerebellum. I'm the one who shoved regret down the throat of hip-hop. You see, I did it for the humiliation to stop. He took the jury, the weapons, and the felonies, and I did it until the radio rotations played spoken sound in Talib Kweli. You know, here said there I go, but baby, here I come. I am putting erect lyrics inside your eardrum.